by evaluating the likelihood and by evaluating the consequence, and then their product give us the risk rating. So this process is also called risk scoring. If you put these ratings in a table form like I have shown in the picture, so this is called the risk scoring form. What are the benefits of this? Instead of describing your labeling your risk in the low, medium, high, you get clarity, consistency, and precision. Now you can distinguish between each risk which stays at what level, and also automatically you get the risk priority number. So there is another representation which is called risk matrix. This is also the risk scoring, but in the graphical form, in a way that at one axis you are representing it with likelihood, and the other axis you are representing it with the consequences. And their product give you the number of the risk rating. So what you do here, if your risk rating is up to 6 or below than 6, then you color them green, which tells that this risk is already controlled and in the reasonably practicable level. And if the rating is above 6 and below 12 up to 12, then you color them yellow in the yellow color, which tells you that this risk is in the moderate medium range, and you have to implement the control. But at the same time, by taking interim control, you can carry on your activity. But if the risk level goes beyond the 15, then the activity must be stopped before you implement the controls and bring the risk level to the reasonably practicable level. So this is how our risk scoring works. So here you can just understand by saying that if your risk level is 1 to 2, rating is 1 to 2, then no action is required. If the rating is between 3 to 6, then you have to monitor it. If your rating is between 8 to 12, then you have to take some actions, but you can carry on at the same time your activity, provided that you implement some interim controls, and along with them you apply the longer term controls to ensure that your risks are permanently controlled. But if the value goes between 15 to 25, then it is very serious and you cannot carry on your activity. You have to stop it immediately. You first take the action, you implement the controls, bring the risk rating to the below under the reasonably practicable level, and then you can proceed with the activity.